Okay, hey guys, I'm just going to share what we have going on this week. So we're going to continue to work on factors. I want to show you two different strategies that you can use to help your student find the factors of a number. So in this case, we're trying to find the factors of 24. We always know that 1 and the number are factors. Okay, then I want them to try. There's another strategy you can use where you take half of the number, so it only works with even numbers. So in this case, half of 24 would be 12, and then you double your other number, so 1 doubled would be 2. Now we're going to do it again. Half of 6 would be, or half of 12 would be 6. 2 doubled would be 4. And then half of 6 would be 3. 4 doubled would be 8. The other thing you can do, I put a hundreds chart here, so if a student is trying to find out if 4 is a factor, or if 4 is a factor of 24, they can count by 4s and see if they land on the number. So 20, 24, so 24 would be. So it matches here. And then they could count through. So it's 4, sorry about that, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So we'll continue finding factors. The other thing we're going to be working on is using known facts to find unknown facts. So right now a lot of your students are struggling knowing their basic facts. The more you can practice those at home along with just the reading to self, the better off they're going to be. So in this case we have 8 and 6. Well, 5 is much easier to multiply by than 6 is. So we could do 5 times 8 to get us to 40. And then 1 times 8 equals 8. And then add the two together to get 48. The other way you could split that up, if it's easier, so if a known fact is 6 times 4, student could do that to equal 24, and they know that they have 2 of those, so 24 plus 24 would equal 48. So those are the things that we're going to be working on this week in math, along with continuing with the open array strategy that your student learned last week and sent you a video of. In reading, we're going to be working on comparing characters and setting from our story, The Island of Dr. Libris. There's multiple characters. So this week they'll compare Billy, who is our main character, with Walter, who is a minor character, and then Billy and Nick Farkas, who is a bully in the story. They also have Hercules and Robin Hood, who they'll be comparing. And then they'll look at the different settings because the island changes to different settings based on the characters that are in the chapter. In writing, we'll continue working on our narrative fiction. Students have developed a setting, they have developed a character. They started working on a plot last week where they had what is the problem, what is the solution. So they will start to draft their stories this week. In science, they're going to develop a fair test. Last week we learned what a fair test was. We did some tests that were not fair, and they had to figure out why. So this week we'll be working on a fair test. We have a full week of school this week, so we go every day. Important dates: next Tuesday is the Mayor's Fun Run. I will be sending home another message later in the week about it, and then it will be in next week's. Okay? As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.